A very good morning to my dear ones. How are you all? I hope you're doing well. Myself, Margaret Ma'am, I will be taking your computer classes. So, before we begin with a new chapter, chapter number 1, a computer, a machine. Okay, so I pray to God to give you wisdom and knowledge to study well. Okay, so did you all get your textbooks? So, your computer textbooks look like this. Okay, this is the pointers and it's published by the KIPS. And for the first page you need to write your name. Okay, your name, your class, your section, your address and phone number. And so let's begin a new chapter. So welcome the chapter computer, a machine. So let's see the spelling of computer. COMPUTER, computer. Okay, a machine, 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 computer, a machine. Now children, you have seen A for apple, B for ball and C for cat. Now here we are going to see C for not cat but C for computer. So children, this is your computer. The computer look like this. Draw and label a computer. Draw and label a computer. So children, I want you to draw this diagram. I will be sending you the image of it. Now let's see what it is. This is the main parts of the computer. This pink color box, this is called a monitor. The spelling of monitor is MONITOR, monitor. This blue color box, this is called a CPU box. Then here this is attached, CPU is attached to a mouse. Then mouse spelling is MOUSE. Then this yellow color box, this is called a keyboard where we type. The spelling of keyboard is KEYBOARD, keyboard. And this green color box, this is called a speaker. With the help of speaker we can listen to music. The spelling of speaker is SPEAKER. Okay, so now the first topic is natural things and man-made things. Now children, here you can see a picture over here. Here in the middle part there is one boy, and here there are different things are there. So some things are natural and some things are man-made things. So what are the natural things? Natural things are the things which is given by the nature, or we can say it is created by God. Okay, and the man-made things is the things which is created by man. So here the tree, flower, bird and animals, so these all are natural things. So it is given by the nature, or we can say given by the God. Even the boy, so this boy, this animal, the flower, the tree and this bird, this all are natural things which is given by our God. Now the things like book, chair, table and pencil, okay, so all these things are created by man, so it is called a man-made things. Now first is natural things. So we'll see the spelling of natural. NATURAL, natural things. THINGS, natural things. The natural things are the things which is created by God. So here we have different pictures. So this all are natural things. Like here we have a sun, stone, water, flower, plant. Here some puppy and some cats are there. So the animals, tree, then flower and mountain. So all these are natural things. Now man-made things, these are the things made by man. So examples are table, fan, house, pencil, bridge and car. So children, we will quickly revise what is natural thing and what is man-made thing. I will show you some objects and you need to tell me what it is. So first object is this. What is this, children? Ball. So it is a natural thing or a man-made thing? Yes, this is a man-made thing because it is created by man. The second object I have is this. What is this, children? Yes, a balloon. So balloon is a natural thing or a man-made thing? Yes, this is a man-made thing. Then I have is this, a flower. Okay, this is a bunch of flowers. So what it is a natural thing or a man-made thing? Yes, this is a natural things created by God. Then I have one object here. You can see what it is. Children, this is a toy car, or you can take any car. So it is a natural thing or a man-made thing? Yes, this is a man-made thing because we have created this. The next object I have is, okay, what is this, children? Plant. Okay, so a plant is a natural thing or a man-made thing? Yes, this is a natural thing created by God. Okay, I hope you understood the difference between the natural thing and a man-made things. Okay, see you in next session. Bye, children. Thank you.